This is one of my favorite Thunderbirds, 62. You notice how the front comes like that. I just love that. I don't know why. 62, 63. Love it. Red, white vinyl top. A lot of paint work going on under the hood here too, man. Looks like with the clear coat. Engine's like clean as a whistle. You eat off of it. Everything looks original. It's got the wire wheel covers. And I always liked how the trim is integrated with the door handle. The interior with the tilt-way wheel and everything like that is like, the interiors today don't even look anywhere near as good. It's amazing. This is when you had true entrepreneurs and CEOs that cared. Remember Susan Wojcicki? Vinyl top, a little bit of vinyl top too. It's like much better pattern design than you would typically see. The glass, how it wraps around, more unique design. Also, even how the body line goes right even into where the rear window valance, if you want to call it, is. Most people would, a lot of the way they are today, they wouldn't even do these body lines. It's everything looks like a.
What do you think?
It's great. Looks great.
Thanks.
They never sculpt a car like this today because it's just too much money. They just dip it. They just dump some plastic in a mold and they're done. Put some LED headlights on it. Looks like a rocket ship coming out the back. That's what these things are to mimic. You notice the spinners on the hubcaps and stuff. Definitely, to me, this is the best years for the T-Birds.